Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, we're going to talk about Perplexity AI Spaces, new upgrade. Now this is going to be the Perplexity website, and I have a video about Perplexity talking about it. It's a comprehensive video tutorial, so please check it out. So speaking of Spaces, this is going to be it. This is going to be the new update inside Perplexity. Take note guys, I am just using the free trial as of now. You can also use a download version for the mobile devices. Anyway, let's go on Spaces. Now basically, what are Spaces? I have a few samples here. For example, this is going to be the Spaces I've created a few days ago. So the name of the space is Tutorialboxx, the subtext is tutorial videos. We have the instructions right here. You can add some new thread for that one. And these are going to be the threads. You can add some files, and basically, this is your space. It's going to be a learning hub for you. Going back on the main page of Spaces, you can create your very own space as easy as that. For example, I'm just gonna recreate the one from earlier, so that will be tutorial box for that one. Description for this, that will be tutorial videos. And then I'm gonna make sure that this AI model is on default because again, we only have the free trial. For the custom instruction, I'm gonna type in here always respond in a professional manner, for example, and also a very formal way. I'm gonna go back for that one, and simply I can add an emoji for this option right here. For example, I want to add this one right there, and simply click on continue. So I have successfully added that up. As you can see right here, this is now my new space. So what can you do here? First thing you want to do is edit your instructions. For example, this is gonna be your instruction, right? Now where can we edit this one? Because this is gonna be the basis. This is gonna be the tutorial of the AI. Basically, this is what it will follow. So for this one, let's go on my favorite website for AI is gonna be ChatGPT. Perfect. Welcome back to the video. So this is gonna be the prompt that I gave ChatGPT that will be giving custom instructions that will guide Perplexity to gather practical resources, tutorials, summaries, and etc. So basically for this one, this will depend on your own perspective. What are you looking for? It will be tailor-fitted for you. So I'm just going to copy everything for this one. For example, custom instructions for that one. Or I'm not going to get that custom instruction. I'm just going to get the goal. Perfect. And simply click on copy. Go back on Perplexity for now. Click edit for this one. And basically, under the AI prompt, I'm going to paste that one. And for this, you can edit the privacy. You can make it shareable or secret. That will be depending on your very own choices. So simply click on update for now and we have it right there. So what's next? So for files, you need this one for your AI, your space to have a background on what you're working on. So I can either upload the file here, drop them right there, or upgrade to a pro version to have more than 5 files uploaded. And then I'm just gonna upload the file that I have. So I'm gonna look for the one that I have right there, guide 1 and guide 2. So these two files mainly focuses on video tutorial creations. So make sure that the files you're gonna use are somewhat similar to the space you're trying to create. I'll get back to you once these are here. So perfect, we have successfully added the 2 files right there. 3 that's right here, you can remove them or simply download them for personal use. For this one, I think we're almost set for this one. Now let's have some fun here. I'm just gonna add some thread here or start the thread. I have a notepad there, so for this one, using the 2 detailed guides I uploaded, help me create a structured learning journey in making tutorial videos. I can upgrade for Pro Search, that will be a much more powerful search, but that's limited because we have only a free trial. Under here, you can add some more sources, you can attach some files there, but for now, I'm gonna go as it is. So as you can see right here, real time, it's currently creating so much info. With one snap of a finger, we have this. Starting from the sources, we have so much. On the right side, you have your images. Now, moreover, you can also add some videos and generate images, but this is gonna be for the pro versions. I want you to take note of that. Speaking about the sources, what if we went 1 for this? I'll get back to you once I'm there. So this is one of the sources that I gave out, or Perplexity gave out, that you can visit. Going back on Perplexity. Now, once you're under here, under view 3 more, you can check all of the resources given to us. Under here is going to be the answer to our questions. So using the 2 detailed guides I uploaded, help me create a structured learning journey in making tutorial videos. So these are the answers. You have phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4, phase 5, additional resources, and basically that's it. So you can have an option to rewrite by this option right there. You can copy everything, edit the query or edit the prompt from earlier, or view sources or report. What if I click on rewrite for that one and make sure I'm going to rewrite via Pro Search, Cloud 3.5 Sonnet, which is my favorite, Sonar Large, ChatGPT 4.0, Sonar Huge, Grok, and Cloud 3.5 Haiku. I'm going to go for Pro Search for this one and just wait for it to finish doing it. So as you can see right here, this can be made as a student. For example, you have a student with your house that you can help with your studies. This will really help him on his learning curve. So basically for this one, as you can see, it's currently being created real time using the Pro Search. Take note guys, Pro Search is only limited to us right now because we only have the free trial. But this is what we have here. So this is going to be the first part of our video, basically learning how to do this. Let's create another space just for sample purposes. Now for this one, this is going to be analyzation for YouTube videos. Basically that's going to be it. Description, this is going to be giving precise descriptions for YouTube videos. I think I'm going to be satisfied for that one. Add some emoji just for drama. I'm going to go with this one for that one. And basically for this one, I'm going to add here, give precise analyzation for the YouTube videos. Easy as that. I'm going to click on continue for now. So we're going to have a new space at this one right here. And then I'm going to edit the instruction for now because I want to try something very, very awesome. So I'm just going to paste this one that will be analyzed the YouTube videos. Link below and summarize the main topic, key points, top takeaways and skills, concise and sections. Speaking of link, I'm gonna get some link for now. So welcome back to the video. These are some videos created by other creators, which is other public speaking. So I'm just gonna get some few videos here and I'll get back to you once I'm done. Now this is what we have here. I have 3 videos just for discussion purposes. Simply click on enter for now. And right now it's currently being analyzed by Perplexity, the videos we've added. Again, these are from the other creators, so again, thank you so much for using that one. So we have right here a video analysis summary. Video 1, which is going to be the public speaking tips. We have the main topic, key points, top takeaways. Video 2, we have main topic also, key points, top takeaways. Moreover, for video 3, we have main topic, key points and top takeaways, and of course, skills developed in all of them, which is a summarized skills developed through all of the videos. As you can see right here, that took only not even 10 seconds. How powerful is that, right? So again, if you want to rewrite your answer, just choose one of which for that one. However, for the paid versus subscription, some of them need the subscription plan. So for example, I want to go for this one right there. That will be under paid. If you want to go Pro Search, again, let's try out under Pro Search. So this is much more comprehensive answer rather than the one from earlier. I'll get back to you once it's here. So that is going to be the analyzation of YouTube videos for you using via link. Let's try create another space for us. So for this one, this will be a very, very trending topic as of now. So researching emerging trends and innovations in AI for education. So for this one, I'm just going to make sure this is AI in education. Something like that one. And basically for this, always respond. Sorry about that. Always respond on a very formal way. I'll be using that one for now and simply click on continue. Now before we click on continue, you'll see it's grayed out because you're going to see this number right there. That means we need to lessen our title. So let's just type in here AI in education. So for this one right there, AI in education again. And basically for this one, always respond on a formal way. Click continue for that. We have here and basically get my notepad for us. And then give me the latest topic about education. We just fix the spelling for that one. Take note, I have no instruction here. I have no files, no links to use this one. I'm just gonna throw it as a simple manner for this. However, I'm using the Pro Search for that one. So this is gonna be the answer under the AI in education. We have everything we need here. By the way, almost forgot to show you the result from earlier. The analyzation YouTube videos under Pro Search. We have it more comprehensive for this one rather than the one in a regular search. Again, this image generation is going to be for the paid subscription. So if you want to search image via your topic, simply click on that one. Same goes with videos, but you cannot generate. Take it about that one, right? So let's try this one more time. Going back on Spaces, so you'll get a hang of it just like Spaces, just like ChatGPT. However, it's your very own space. Hence, the name Space. So for this one, I'm just going to type in here basketball shoes for 2024, or sorry about that. I'm going to go for running shoes. So I will be running shoes basically for 2024. That would be for this one, shoes, and in here, always respond on a formal way. Simply click on continue. I have my handed notepad for us. Go on the one we have created. Again, there's no instructions for this. So that will be compare the top running shoes in 2024 and provide me with the best features. I'm gonna make sure that this is gonna be under Pro. You'll notice that we only have 3 searches left today. However, I'm gonna click on enter because I want a very comprehensive answer since I'm looking for the analytics side of the best running shoes in 2024. And this is what we have here. I can compare the best features for the identified running shoes or search for the top running shoes of 2024. These are all suggested searches under Pro Search. As you can see right here, we have top 1 up to top 7. We also have a summary table regarding the features, a summary of what they are. Now right now, let's create another one just for the sake of discussion. For this one, I'm going to type in here blogs under IF or intermittent fasting. Let me just type in here intermittent fasting. I think I spelled it wrong. So let me just fix this one right there. Perfect. Make sure that's right here. Under custom instructions, I'm going to leave it as blank. Continue. Go under there. Open my notepad. Copy this one. So what are the top blogs for intermittent fasting? Provide me with the links and a summary of each one. I'm still going to go under Pro because I really love the Pro search. It's a very detailed option. So welcome back to the video. This is going to be the results. We have the links right there. They're very interactive. If I click on that one, I can simply go to the new link, which is about intermittent fasting blog. How awesome is that, right? And each one of the links has a detailed summary, especially a beginner's guide for that one. And basically that's how powerful Perplexity is. Now since we're using the Pro Search, we're having this option where we can ask a follow-up. So for this one, let me just ask, which is the best one? I'm going to click on that one right there, and basically it's going to compare all of the things he had created earlier. So right here, this is going to be the answer. How awesome is that, right? Again guys, you can only use the follow-up option if you're using the Pro Search, which is only 5 searches per day. Take note about that one, and thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.